Felix? What are you dressed up as?
I'm a princess.
You're a princess?
Yeah.
Are you putting your shoes on?
Yeah.
What kind of shoes are those?
They are mine.
Are they ballet shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think you have one of Felix's shoes on and one of your shoes.
They're mine shoes.
Now, are you going to go do ballet with your princess outfit?
Do your ballet. Do Dorothy ballet. How does Dorothy do her ballet?
My ballet is broken.
Your ballet is broken?
I want it on my hand.
What are you doing?
Wait for the landing.
Hey,
Here, put yours in.
what are you doing?
Hey.
Hey,
I'm ripping it right here.
who are you?
I'm Felix.